So guys, this is the scene. This is the scene here in Baltimore, Maryland. We received 32 inches of snow, and this is the scene today. We got the truck dug out. You can see there's snow piles. I'm holding this at head level. There's snow piles higher than my head. And this car doesn't even look like there's a car there. So it's pretty intense out here, and I will document it in the morning also. There will be plenty of pictures in this video that I took earlier today, and I'll throw some in that I'm taking right now. But you see these snow piles. This one is about 7 feet high, and a snow pile still hasn't come down our street. And I'm out here in shorts and tennis shoes and a light jacket, so I'm pretty stupid. So yeah, guys, everybody has a truck. I know you can't see well, but I'll get some pictures for you and throw them in. You can't tell, but that's an excursion up there.